Welcome to our CoughPro overview tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will explore the home screen of the app, the account profile, as well as provide a high-level overview of the different features available, including insights and cough management. When you open the CoughPro app, you will be automatically directed to the home screen, as indicated by the home icon in the bottom left corner. The first thing you will notice on the home screen is the large circle with the CoughPro logo inside. This not only provides a clear way to know if the app is tracking your cough in real time, but it also acts as a toggle switch to turn cough tracking on and off, which you can tap to control. If it is white and pulsating, this indicates that cough tracking is currently on. If it is not pulsating and is blue, it indicates that tracking is off. Just below the circle, you will see the number of coughs tracked in the last hour, providing you with a quick overview of your current cough status. At the top of the home screen, you'll see the streak tracker, which shows whether you have an active streak where you've tracked your cough multiple days in a row. You can tap into the streak tracker to get a more detailed look, and tap on the X in the top left to return to the home screen. At the bottom right of the home screen, above the profile icon, there is a blue circle with the word Forum. Tapping on this button will take you to the CoughPro Forum, where you can interact with fellow CoughPro users in the CoughPro community. The forum is a place where people who are dealing with problematic cough in their lives can find support, seek education, ask and answer questions, and connect with other CoughPro users. Click on Done in the top left corner to return to the home screen. You can access data insights by selecting the Insights icon in the bottom of the screen next to the home icon. Data Insights showcases a more in-depth look at your cough, providing detailed information about your cough count, cough frequency, and trending patterns. To learn more about Insights, please review our Insights video tutorial located in the CoughPro tutorial library. Cough Management, a tool that helps manage chronic cough, is accessed by selecting the Take Action icon, which is the third icon at the bottom. Cough Management uses an approach to manage cough based on behavioral cough suppression therapy, helping those with chronic cough live better with their cough. You can learn more about cough management by reviewing our cough management video tutorial located in the CoughPro tutorial library. The last icon at the bottom right is Profile. When you select the profile icon, you will be brought to your account profile, which displays your name and associated email at the top. Achievements, which are based on the total number of hours logged, will be showcased near the top. You can click on Learn More to better understand how many hours are associated with each milestone. Below Achievements is where the application settings can be adjusted. The first is Tracking Reminder, which can be set if you would like to ensure that cough tracking is turned on at a certain time. For example, first thing in the morning or in the evening before bed. To set your tracking reminder, simply toggle the setting on and then specify the time at which you would like to be reminded. Please note that your smartphone notification settings must be turned on for the CoughPro app in order for the tracking reminder to work. The next setting is the Bluetooth sound input. The default microphone setting for the CoughPro app is with the phone microphone rather than Bluetooth devices. This is the recommended way to use CoughPro. Bluetooth sound input can be toggled on if you would prefer to use a different device for the microphone rather than your phone microphone. If toggled on, a warning will appear for you to proceed with caution, since this can interfere with sound playback quality and proper functioning of Bluetooth devices. Below the Bluetooth sound input setting is the subscription expiry date, which can be managed through your phone settings. Below that, you will find the Help Center section, which includes links to the video tutorial library, the FAQ or Frequently Asked Question knowledge base, as well as a direct link to connect with customer support via email. When emailing customer support, whether it is for a technical issue or for feedback, please ensure you include as much detail as possible so that our dedicated support team can effectively and efficiently help you. The About CoughPro section includes terms of use, technical reference, privacy policy, and research policy. At any time, you can access any of these documents for your review and reference. To log out of the application, simply select Log Out. Please note that while your data will not be lost upon logging out, the cough tracker will only be active when logged in and tracking is toggled to on. And finally, there is an option to delete your account. However, it should be noted that if you decide to delete your account, all associated data will be lost. And there you have it, a high-level overview to Hype's CoughPro app. Visit our video tutorial library to learn more about CoughPro product features such as insights and cough management.